After 6 weeks, the Kalahari couple's hard work finally pays off. They are parents. The chicks have spent 42 days and nights cramped inside their eggs. When they emerge, they're almost ready to run. Their dedicated parents will spend the next 9 months looking after them, but the chicks get no help with hatching. Fighting your way out of an ostrich egg is a Houdini-like feat. The shells are tougher than most other bird eggs. They would have cracked long ago under the weight of their parents if they weren't. It's one of nature's great escapes and can be exhausting.